Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2020 Gladiator Sport S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include black cloth low-back bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, included, tip-start transmission skid plate select speed control, max tow package with 4.10 axle ratio included, Dana M210 wide front axle heavy-duty engine cooling tires, 245/75 R17 BSW automatic transmission dual gross vehicle weight, 6,250 pounds 240 amp alternator molded in color fender flares, 2-piece, daytime running lamp system Dana M220 wide rear axle trailer hitch zoom class 4 hitch receiver 4.10 rear axle ratio, gross vehicle weight, 6,250